This video will show you how to take the Google Form quiz link and put it into the digital interactive slides that your students will be working from, so they will each have their own copy of the Google Form. So this is your lesson guide. I'm going to make it bigger so you can see it. And as you can see under Evaluate, there is a Google Form quiz that the students will be completing. So you will click that first to prepare for them and to make a copy for yourself. It will force you to make a copy. You'll click on that, and now you will have the copy of the quiz. So I would suggest just taking off that copy of, and then you can move it to right here to whatever folder you want it to be moved to. Go ahead and check settings and make sure everything is as you would like it to be for your classroom, under general, under presentation, and under quizzes. Now make sure under quizzes that this one's selected make a quiz, okay? And then you can decide how you want to release the grade or what you would like your respondents to see. And then you just click save and you are good to go. Now for the students to be able to have a copy of this, you will click send, and then you're going to select the icon of the hyperlink there, shorten that URL, and then just make a copy. And now you are ready to put it into the slides. So you come to the interactive slides that they will be working from digitally, and you can see on the evaluation slide there is a little icon here. So we're going to need to insert a shape on top of that to put this link in. So we're going to just take the circular link or circular shape and make a little circular shape there and try to make it good. There we go. Now we want to also insert at this point the link. So the link that you just got, you're going to copy paste that right in there and click apply. And then you'll want to come up here to the fill button and make that transparent so you can still see the icon. All right, at that point, just to test it out, you'll go to your presentation, and then they will click right here, and it should take them right to the Google Form quiz. And there you go. And they will be able to complete this and submit it to you, and you'll be able to evaluate and grade it at that point.